Child labor, the employment of children in any work that deprives children of their childhood. It interferes with their ability to attend regular school, and that is mentally, physically, socially, or morally dangerous and harmful. Our team of students who volunteered to work socially in finding, helping and rehabilitating some of the children that worked in the local markets of Lahore, seeing to what type of their conditions, their homes, and the level of wages they were being given, as well as what or if any education was being provided to them. A boy named Faizan who was living at a wreckage yard told us that he neither have a mother nor a father, and he and his brother work at the salvage yard and live there as well, earning as much livelihood as they can for themselves. The living conditions that the boy showed us were really adverse. It was hard to contemplate how such young flowers could live and find the nurture they needed in such kind of dumps. In developing countries, with high poverty and poor schooling opportunities, child labor is still prevalent. We interviewed some of the children as well as the local shop owners. We also collected as much information as we could, so that we could report to the proper authorities about the hardships being faced by the children. Another boy, Salim, who worked part-time, attended school in the morning. He said his father worked too. When we asked why he worked, he told he wanted to earn a little extra money for his home. His age was just 6, yet he felt himself responsible for his home in ways most adults do not. The shop owners who kept the children at work blamed the government for not doing their part, as well as the parents who loosely let their children work on dangerous roads. They said that they gave the children jobs only to help their financial needs, and pretty soon the topic of discussion heated, so our team moved on to find some more kids in need. Some little boys worked regularly and said that they were compelled by their parents and that they must lend their hand in the earning of the household. All these children long only for love and affection and a helping hand, and we can be the ones to provide it, if only we work together and play our role honestly with different people of the community, NGOs, and government institutions. A boy we came across was even a gifted individual, but it was sad to see him working on the roads as well. Globally, the incidence of child labor decreased from 25% to 10% between 1960 and 2003, according to the World Bank. Nevertheless, the total number of child laborers remains high.